spacious living and dining area. Here you can place your sofa, the kitchen where you will get 2 platforms. This is our master bedroom that is very spacious. You can place your...
Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat video of the residential project Urban Hills by Lotus Group located in Dombivli. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office, and over here is the actual land parcel of our project. This is the main road, Kalyanshil Road, and the neighborhood of our project. Now I will take you and show you the actual land parcel of our project. So as you can see, this is the actual land parcel of our project. We will be getting into all the details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. Now let's talk about the project overview. This project will be spread across the land parcel of 2.5 acres having 3 towers with each tower of G plus 20 floors, out of which the bottom 3 floors will be commercial and rest will be residential. This project will have 1 BHK and 2 BHK premium residences. Talking about the amenities, this project has 30 plus amenities with infinity swimming pool, clubhouse, gym, kids play area, mini theatre and many more. Talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located bang on Kalyanshil Road, from where Ghansoli railway station is only 15 minutes drive, Experia Mall is only 5 minutes drive, upcoming metro station is only 5 minutes walk, school, colleges, hospitals is only at a distance of 500 meters to 1 kilometer from the project. Also, to know about more properties at this location, don't forget to click on the I button.
So now we are standing outside the 2 BHK of Urban Hills. This 2 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 630 square feet. Let's begin with the sample flat tour and see what the builder has provided. As we enter, you will get a foyer area, and this will be your spacious living and dining area. Here you can place your sofa, your center tables and customize your TV unit. As you can see, the living and dining area is very spacious. In the living, you will get full French windows with a balcony where you can place your tea table, tea chairs and enjoy tea time. Back view, you will get hill view and the front view will be city view. Over here, you can place your dining table and enjoy meals with your family. Right next to the dining area, we have the kitchen where you will get 2 platforms. In this corner, you can place your refrigerator. You will get stainless steel sink in one of the platform, and also you get full French windows with a dryer balcony. Moving forward, over here you will also get this wash basin corner, and right beside to it we have a common washroom that comes with anti-skid tiles and high-end wall fittings. Right opposite to the common washroom, we have a common bedroom that is also very spacious. You can place your king or queen size bed, customize your wardrobe. And in this common bedroom, you will get half French windows with a glass facade to give you a beautiful standing balcony look. Before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. And then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now let me show you the master bedroom of this 2 BHK. This is our master bedroom that is very spacious. You can place your king size bed along with the side tables, customize your wardrobe in this corner. And this bedroom also comes with half French windows with a glass facade. Over here is the attached washroom of this master bedroom that comes with anti-skid tiles and high-end wall fittings. So this was the 2 BHK tour of our project. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. At last, I would like to ask you one question. You have been watching our videos for so long now. How do you like our videos and what are your views? Do let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat videos.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.